Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
What's my tell him about kill him, man? So that's why I'm to kill him. So that's why I'm to kill him. So that's why I'm to kill him.
Where you going?
Acha. 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 Acha.
Watch it, I don't want him to
Acha.
My brother and sister, nobody put yourself in a problem. You see? Because enough people see this thing up on social media and understand the story behind it. Which if the story that is told behind it is even true. You see? Now, the man who is sitting down at the taxi is being accused of throwing a stone in the other man's car. The man that is stand up over him, trying to use a knife to hurt the man that is in the taxi right there, so right? Then claims to say that that taxi man threw a stone in the other man's car, which is the man you see attacking him right now. You see? But I understand say you're angry. You see me, I say me know say you're angry, you see? And you know you'd feel hurt because worse if you're driving while the stone thrown at the car. But even say you're driving or if the car park and the stone thrown at the car, would you really think it is necessary to put yourself in a problem? You see me, I say big brothers and sisters, to put yourself in a problem where, alright, you know how much man they are in prison right now. Sit down in a prison. Can't wait for the day they can actually say them walk somewhere outside of that prison. If I even for going in one yard, go sit down. Let me tell you something, man. Sometimes it's not worth it. Really and truly, I don't want the man put himself in a problem. You see me? Who wants to say me wrong? I don't know what to tell you say, but believe you me, not go tell a man if you go do some stupidness where contain violence tonight. You see? But anyways, you don't know the thing already. I'm going to bring to you what hit on social media. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about a situation like this. My name is Skilla and this is Dancer Skilla ENT. I want to big up on yourself, you my people. You see it?